Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today, I'm going to be showing you guys my analysis for today, and it looks like we're going to be doing some pretty good trades today. I didn't really mark up my anything because I want to start fresh with you guys, so I'm going to start marking up everything that I know. So, what do I know? Alright, so we see that price did not go above this, it did not close. So we're most likely going to be taking these highs down below here. So what I'm going to be anticipating for us to do is go on the 1 hour and mark this as liquidity, and then we might be able to target this low, this swing low up here. Alright, and as you guys can also see, there is equal lows as well, right below it there, equal lows. So potentially might come down there, but who knows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark this down. Okay, so now that we have this drawn out, right, I want to be looking for entries. So the first entry that I would take was, I did mark down this 15-minute fair value gap because I like how it's been respecting this area, so it looks pretty valid. I'm gonna mark this down as the 15-minute fair value gap, so I know what time frame to look on. And do we see any more gaps? Any more fair value gaps? And I do. There is this fair value gap as well. Looks like it's been respecting nice as well. So 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, so now that we have these fair value gaps, what I'm looking for now is to get a manipulation. So we might target this fair value gap and maybe shoot up higher, shoot up to these areas and then come down. But I'm just gonna mark it down because it does look pretty good, right? Bounced, fat push up. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go on the 1 minute, find a setup, target this, and then if this fails, if I don't find a setup in this area, probably go up higher, and then it'll probably come down, touch again, go, touch again, and then come down further and touch, get these lows. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for. But as of right now, it is 6:15, so we're just gonna wait and see. We do have $206 in the account, so we're gonna see how much we can make today from the stock market. So I'm gonna show you guys in a couple minutes. So I'll see you guys when market opens, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, the market is about to open right now. So what I am seeing right now is we did get tapped in the 15-minute fair value gap. We either might come down and go into this 50, or maybe even go down and break it and maybe come over here and do that, or we can probably just jump off this area right there. And what I'm hoping for, I marked this on the 1 minute, is that we break above this, and now this will become a BISI. So then we would go, this would break, retrace, come back higher. So that's what I'm waiting on the 1 minute. We're gonna wait and see it. And as you guys can also see over here, we didn't take Asian and London low, nor Asian and Asian high. Asian London high. So we could just bounce, and that's what we're looking like it's doing. So okay, so now that we got a big push, I would want to see us to break over here. Alright, let's just check it out on SPY. Volume imbalance has to get filled soon. Okay, so we'll see where we go. I'm gonna wait for this area to get tapped. Short stop loss. I'll just wait and see. Now that we got hit, I'm just gonna wait and see. We'll see what happens because this is way too early in the market. So I don't wanna, get manipulated out, get faked out. So we could just get these lows, but you see that? You see how it just didn't retrace? So now this is invalid. So one thing I am gonna do, it did chase to 50%, so I want to look for another entry somewhere around here. I might just take it now, since we probably just got a liquidity sweep for us to get lower. But I don't like how I'm just going blindly. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna wait for a setup. Exactly, wait for a setup, ladies and gentlemen, because I would have gotten him, but it's just I don't trust it. Not yet. I don't like how SPY is weak. SPY is stronger than Nasdaq, so we're gonna wait a little bit, see how price reacts. My finger is on the trigger. See, I can see, so we'll just wait. We won't be sitting here waiting, doing niche, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna wait, and I'll catch you guys when I'm in the trade. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I might get into this trade because I like how SPY is starting to react into this area. It looks pretty strong, and we also got all of this gap to fill, all of this opening gap to fill. So we might end up filling that in. So, and my stop loss will probably be right below here, but we're gonna wait and see which one is stronger. SPY is gonna be stronger. So, all right. So we'll just sit here and wait. And yeah, it looks good for longs. I just want to wait and see it for a better entry. But I don't really see anything good. That's the only problem. I don't really see like a fair value gap. I don't see an order block. I don't see anything. So this is why I'm not entering a trade. But I like how it's in a fair value gap. That's the only thing I like about it. But as of right now, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and set it. I'm really just gonna wait and set it. Gentlemen, I might just take a stab at this area. I wanna see. Alright. We are in longs. I'm gonna put my stop loss right below right here, risking $20. And for my TP, I will be risking putting up this 1 minute fair value gap. So we're just gonna go to this area right here, and that is we're gonna be making, I'm not sure how much, $60. So it's not bad, but we're just gonna see how good this area is. I like how it's been respecting this area, this 15-minute fair value gap. So if you think about it, we got in like right here. Stop loss is right below this low. First TP will be up here. And this is a 4.7. So pretty good trade. Pretty good trade to me. A little bit right there. So looking good, guys. I'm gonna announce this in the Discord that I'm long. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's been about like 30 minutes or so, and it looks like we are about to get stopped because the news just dropped right now. It doesn't look very good, but it did look pretty good. If news didn't happen, we probably would have get TP hit, but it doesn't look good, y'all. That's what I don't like. If we keep respecting it, I mean, I would say we can keep going higher, but the way how price is looking, I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. But overall, we did pretty good for today. I say we did pretty good for today. The news that we got was home sales, and I don't know if it was good news, but just look at that, man. Yeah, stop loss just got hit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, done for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, later, y'all.